In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find draft emails in Gmail. If you've ever started an email, stepped away, and wondered where it went, this walkthrough is for you. Gmail automatically saves your unfinished messages as drafts so you can pick up right where you left off without losing a word. Let's make sure you know exactly where to find them. Start by opening your Gmail account in your web browser. Once your inbox loads, focus your attention on the left-hand side of the screen. This is the navigation panel where you see familiar sections like Inbox, Sent, and Trash. In that same list, look for the option labeled Drafts. It usually appears near the top of the list alongside other common labels. If you've been working on messages recently, you may also see a small number next to drafts. That number tells you how many drafts are currently saved. Go ahead and click Drafts. The page will switch to show you all the emails Gmail has saved but that haven't been sent yet. Each item in this list typically shows the recipient, the subject line if you added one, and a short preview of the message. You'll also see the time it was last updated. Gmail keeps this section organized by your most recent changes, so the draft you touched most recently will appear at the top. If you have multiple drafts, scanning the subject lines and previews is a quick way to spot the one you need. Seeing your drafts here confirms that Gmail's autosave worked. As you type a new message, Gmail quietly saves it in the background every few seconds. That means you don't have to worry about closing your browser tab or switching to another task. Your progress is still captured and listed in drafts. If you don't see any items after clicking drafts, it simply means there aren't any unfinished messages at the moment. One more helpful detail: drafts remain in this section until you either send the message or remove it. That makes the drafts view a reliable place to revisit ideas, polish wording, or keep a message on hold until you're ready to finalize it. Whenever you return to the drafts label, you'll find them waiting, organized by your most recent edits. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Gmail tips and tutorials.